title insurance, there is two kinds of title insurance you said. One is when you selling the property, and one I believe you said when you paid off your house, you still need the title insurance.
Not about paying off the house. It's to protect against title fraud issues. And title fraud issues can especially happen when there's no mortgage on the property. And the reason for that is because when there's a mortgage on the property, the way things are set up, lenders will be made aware if there are any changes that happen to the title. So let's say somebody does title fraud and forges somebody's signature and transfers the property into their name, right? So in this case, if there is a lender, there's a mortgage there, lender will be informed that title has switched hands, right? That means the property has been sold and they will follow up on that. So it's just there's a little bit that of that extra, at least notice will be there. They may not be able to do anything, or they still have to go fight it in court, but at least they will be notified. But what happens is when there's no mortgage on the property, then you don't know that when property's title has changed because nobody gets notified. The homeowner does not get notified when something has been added to the, like a registration has been added to the title, or there's a transfer of title that happens. So this is why, especially if the property does not have a mortgage, it's good to get title insurance. But either way, title insurance is recommended because even in the first scenario where there is a mortgage on the property, the problem is, let's say somebody did fraud and transferred the title in their own name, and then they wanted to sell the property. Now, the problem here would be, even though they're notified, right? The bank gets notified, but now somebody has to take the person, the fraudsters, to court. And it may be a long, drawn out court case where they have to prove like who owns the title of the property and whatnot. So that will cost a lot of money to hire lawyers and the court process and whatnot. So now the person will have to come up with the money out of their pocket. But when there's title insurance and there's a problem with title fraud, then the title insurance company will pay to cover the court costs. Right, that's why we are buying it. So, in case somebody does title fraud, then the person whose property it is, the owner of the property, can go fight that case in court, and title insurance will cover the costs for that.